Tired of jerky camera movements that pull your viewers out of the story? This tutorial will show you how to achieve buttery smooth left and right turns in Capcut, transforming your edits with professional-grade motion. First, open Capcut and import the video clip you want to add panning to drag your clip onto the timeline. This is where the magic will happen. Now, we'll focus on creating a left turn. Select your clip on the timeline, head over to the Video tab in the Inspection panel on the right. We're looking for the Transform section. Click the diamond icon next to Rotation to add your first keyframe at the beginning of your clip. With the playhead still at the beginning, we want to set up our starting position. We'll be using the position parameters for a left turn. We want the camera to appear to be moving from right to left, so we'll adjust the X position value to shift the clip slightly to the right. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. We'll refine it in a moment. Now move your playhead to the end of your clip again. In the Transform section, click the diamond icon next to Rotation and Position to add your second set of keyframes for a left turn. We'll rotate the clip slightly to the left. You'll typically use a small negative value for this. Anything from 3 to 8 degrees can look quite natural simultaneously. Adjust the X position parameter to shift the clip to the left, bringing your subject back into view or creating a smooth reveal. To ensure that smooth, fluid motion, we need to adjust the keyframe curve. Select your clip and click on the Animation tab, then select Custom Animation. You'll see your two keyframes. Click on the curve between them and choose a slow out or ease in out curve. This is crucial for that professional cinematic sweep. Play back your clip to see the effect. You should now have a beautiful, seamless leftward panning movement. Feel free to tweak the rotation and position values and experiment with different curves until you achieve the exact look you desire. Now, let's create a right turn. The process is identical, but the adjustments are reversed. Import your clip and place it on the timeline. Add your first keyframe for rotation and position at the start of the clip for a right turn. We want the camera to appear to be moving from left to right, so we'll adjust the X position to shift the clip slightly to the left. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and add your second set of keyframes for a right turn. Rotate the clip slightly to the right. Using a small positive value like 3 to 8 degrees, adjust the X position parameter to shift the clip to the right, bringing your subject back into focus or creating that smooth reveal. Again, head to Animation and Custom Animation to adjust the curves between your keyframes. A gentle slow in or ease in out curve will give you that polished, professional finish. Play back to admire your smooth rightward pan. Experiment with these techniques on different clips to add a dynamic, professional touch to all your video projects.